Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You are starting now? Check settings about phone to confirm Android version and model because options vary. Once done, make sure battery is above 20% and back up any launcher or DPI profiles. Open Settings, tap Display, then find Screen Size, Display Size, or Font Size. Manufacturers call it differently. Tap the entry to reveal a live preview slider. You will use that slider in the next phase to adjust actual UI scale. This is the first actionable step. You now perform the core change. Drag the display size or font size slider slowly and watch the live preview. This is how you set readable, tappable UI. If the setting is missing, enable developer options. Tap build number 7 times, then open developer options and adjust smallest width to change DPI, increase for smaller UI, decrease for larger items. After changing, test the home screen, apps, and keyboard to confirm layout and touch targets. Make small. You finish by applying the chosen size and then restart the phone to ensure system-wide scaling is stable. Once rebooted, verify critical apps and widgets. If an app shows layout glitches, clear its cache or force stop and reopen. That often fixes rendering issues. If problems persist, revert the display size or smallest width to the previous value, or boot into safe mode to check for interfering apps. Remember, a single restart and small tweaks will resolve most display size issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.